So we've come into this massive arena now where they've got the space shuttle, and but I'm gonna start over, I don't know where. So they've got a massive collection of these Munch Mammoth motorbikes from the 70s, and some of these bikes are just, I remember seeing these in books. To actually see them in real life is incredible. This is a 67 one. Look at that one up on the top. Yeah, the memorabilia in this place is just beyond comprehension. All the Munch Club memorabilia. There are all sorts of incredible. There's like a, they've even recreated a workshop to set the mood. Coming on down through the Mammoth 2000 lot. So literally, again, I'm just going to rinse around, show you what is here. Some of these colours, look at the headlamp nacelle on this. There's another one up there with incredible metallic green. I've got like a race seat on it. Oh, no, oh, look at this one, the Munch Mammoth. Look at this. Oh, it's just absolutely. We have got racing trucks. We have got this, I think we've seen the pictures of this this futuristic looking truck with this kind of huge cockpit on the top with like a rotor wiper blade. There's a beautiful 202 touring. Let's just have a little look around at this one. Oh, is this the 1800 then? I don't, yeah, so maybe an 1800. But Moby Cane. Oh, I'm just going to rinse on round. Fiats, BMWs. Oh, beautiful. So what's this? 72, like 6-cylinder, 3 litre in the metallic blue. Look at that, real deep blue. '80s here. Look at this. 1980s, gotta be. 1981. And so, oh, we got a silver bug. What's on with the silver bug? 82. Limited edition called the Silver Bug, is one of the only 1700 specimens equipped with options, accessories. There we go. The Silver Bug. And he is mint. He is absolutely mint. It is stunning, that car. Just checking out the caddy. 53 Cadillac, but Caroline's going to stand in this engine. this, oh my goodness, what is it? It's a TriStar 1981 Lockheed TriStar turbine. Look how big it is. Okay. 62 Corvette Cabriolet. Just down this alley has caught my eye. All these Mercedes. Ford Caprilla 83 2.8i. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh wow. Yeah. Looks like it's there's a European Capri club. There's another one here. 84 Mark III 2.3S. in that gold. God, you just forget these colours of these cars. Oh, look at that. So Apollo 11, but I'm going upstairs because they got motorbikes. Apollo 11 space shuttle landing on the moon. I've come upstairs and basically Tiger 110 61. Look at that. Look at that motorbike. Whoa. So basically, again, I'm just gonna, if there's anything that catches my eye that's got Vespa scooters, we can probably get a nice little overview of the museum here, looking down all of them cars. Another plane up here. We got the space shuttle over to my left. Some people just going into the shuttle up there. Some of them legendary NSU bikes. There are literally NSUs, and here's the Quicklies, like that one I spotted in that shop up in the town. Look at these bikes. Look at that little tiny cover on there. Protector. Look how neat this this little headlight. You just forget how nice some of them little things are. That little tiny engine, 1954. A little tiny carburetor there. Look. Huge array of motorbikes up through there on this line, and I'm gonna just the Hercules with a Wanko engine. That's a rarity. DKW, BSA, Gold Star. Zundap. All these incredible motorbikes. And the underside of a plane. Oh, this looks, what's this one here then? Adler. God, I tell you what, some of this stuff is just so rare. The Adler. Right, this is where it gets a bit serious up the top here, because we have got the Ducati Mike Hailwood replica 1985. We have got the 900 Supersport 78. All these Ducatis. And then I'm just gonna, again, we're gonna fire on Kawasaki Z500 750 turbo. Who can't catch a Kawasaki? Look at these bikes. Just forget the little digital fuel meter in the middle of the tank there. It's Kawasaki 65 to 70, Z750 in the green, Z1000. GPZ 1100. And we got the 900, Z900. Some of these bikes, all contained in one little space. God. Z900 RS. Going on then to 85 Z900R, and then the one that Z1300 6-cylinder engine. Look at this bike. I apologise if I'm going a lot today because this is Motorbike Central. If you're into motorbikes and these old 80s bikes. Some of these specials even got the green links on the chain. the underdog. Look at the underdog. Paintwork on it is absolutely stunning. Got the nitrous on there, got the NOS on. Look at that little exhaust pipe on there. Look at this. Incredible. Engine, power, motorcycle adrenaline, and even the rims are just absolutely finished off. Do the little walk up XJ900, Honda VF Thau, VF 750. So there's a bit of a plastic screen on this, so I'll do my best trying to catch as much as we can. Getting down to the race material, racing bikes, Grand Prix racing bikes, and breaking out again into this level of Benelli 750 6-cylinder engine, Laverda 78, oh, that's old, 74 Ducati. That's almost like the you know, where they get the scrambler and stuff now. It's sort of they probably took a look back at some of the pictures of that. That was a, yeah, there you go, 74 scrambler. Where have you been, Joff? Where have you been? MV Augusta scrambler. Bikes, CBX 1000, CX 500. Let's just have a look at this dash, the display on this. So, oh, 1981. Oh no. Oh, and 1000 custom, 83,000 custom. Look at that. Beautiful. Just going to do another little overview now of the museum in this, off this gallery, and it is amazing. Motorbikes, cars, planes, space shuttle, massive display of all the Star Wars stuff. Here we go then, Charlie. Look at this incredible road. What, Hugh McGregor out in the desert stuff. But yeah. Space, memorabilia, models, cars. Oh my goodness. Absolutely fantastic. Full range of the figurines from the Star Wars. Okay, just another off the gallery. Helicopter just hanging from the ceiling. The space shuttle. Look at that. How mad is this place? Motorbikes. There are push bikes. There's a big board to tell you what they are. In fact, there's a Schwinn here, look. One that I do recognise. And there is the Schwinn up there. The blue. So there's a massive selection of advertising boards. Berlin Tempelhof. Kawasaki engine cutaways. Here we go. They've even got the lunar buggy. The lunar buggy. And we have spacemen in suits looking on the surface of the moon. Comprehend the size of this shuttle. It's so big. The back end, look at it. It is monstrous. Now to check out what's... Oh my God! Oh my goodness me! Into the back of the shuttle. God almighty, the pipes, cables. It's outrageous. Absolutely. I'm going to go up the top now and try and get a shot from the top. Just coming up, looking through the into the cockpit of this shuttle. Now, whoever was in that seat must have had absolute nerves of steel. I'll tell you what, it is absolutely massive. You see all them tiles. I remember the days when they were launching these things and the tiles used to peel off. And it's, I can understand why. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Anybody that's into the space flight scene, this is space flight heaven, I should think. Apart from going to Cape Canaveral, maybe. It is history, everything. So for me, when you see this sort of like space stuff, it's ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. And the papers want to know what shirt you wear. Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong, can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear? I'm just floating in this tin can. Far from the earth, planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. God, laptop computer, old school. Imagine floating around in there. There are modules. There's an airstream caravan there. I don't know what's doing there. That's probably the what they stayed in before the flight. Coming on round. Engines. Oh God. It's just oh, I don't know. So we've got the Space Lab simulator. That looks fairly interesting. So just give you that feeling of weightlessness. What sort of feeling must be that like? I don't know. All these kind of like Sputnik things hanging from the ceiling. I'm not too space orientated, so if you are, let me know what they are. I haven't got a clue. And this 1936 500k Mercedes. Look at the shape of this car. Oh my God. Look at this car. That's absolutely so futuristic. What it must have been like to sit in there in 1936. Checking out the nose on that shuttle up there. From that to these biplanes.